morning, guys. I'm not feeling well. I'm going through the most with my stomach, y'all. Like, it's a lot. There's a lot happening. But I'm supposed to have run an errand, and I'm waiting on somebody to go run the errand with. I have to go with somebody. Then I've got other plans I'm going to take you guys along. So, see you in a bit.
Still got your things here. They stare at me like souvenirs. Don't wanna let you out my head. Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever said that you love me.
Yeah, so I'm on my way out now. Off to brunch. So this was my journey to the destination. You know, typical Nairobi, always busy, always bursting. So I'm at my destination. So after all the greetings and getting to, you know, see everybody that was part of this meeting, we got this beautiful spread of different breads, fish, quiche, salad, all types of egg, cake, juice, teas of your liking. It was honestly beautiful and the food was amazing. So everybody was very eager to dig in, and you can see me over there. I'm trying to figure out what I want to eat because everything looks so good. And I wonder if you can figure out what I was asking. If you can figure out what I was asking a few seconds ago, drop it in the comment section below. That's my plate. So I took some fish fingers, a little bit of greens, because a lot of the greens have been taken by others. I got there a bit late. And I also got some garlic, chicken and cheese bread. Honestly, like I said, this food was busting. At this point now, we were setting up to shoot. If you guys don't know, I'm a news anchor at CCK, and today I was being interviewed actually, which was really nice. So this is the behind the scenes where we're going through what we're going to talk about, the lighting, and just figuring out our placements. This was super fun. I got to, you know, be relaxed for once. I'm not the one leading the conversation. I'm tagging along, and honestly, it was refreshing. After my session, we had our amazing pastors over there. The one in the blue and the one in the black t-shirt. Those are my pastors talking. And yeah, this is, you know, the end of the first half of my day, which was super. And this is now me going home after, you know, getting a nice full belly and a good time.
So welcome to my bathroom, guys. It's a little bit of an echo, but yeah, I'm back home, I'm settled. I had a really good meeting. It was a brunch meeting, and yeah, like we're planning some things for the year, and I'm so excited to get into all of that. I'm not going to share on the channel as yet, but I'm excited with the direction that we're going in. Now, I haven't done a proper maintenance skincare routine in a while, so today I'm going to go, you know, really far. I'm pulling out little works. I'm really loving on my skin. I'm going to, you know, do a little mini facial. If you would like to see like that full routine, be sure to comment below so you guys can see how I do the full thing. For now, you guys are going to get a glimpse of that process. So, see you soon! my skin looking glossy. I'm not going to take that off. If anything, I'm going to squeeze the rest of the serum. See, that's all just good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. So yeah, along my neck as well. So while my skin is still damp, because like I said, it's maintenance skincare, I'm also gonna fix up my eyebrows. Gotta put that serum all over the skin. It's amazing. It's good for the skin. It's vitamin C. Okay, so I use just a regular blade, guys. Nothing fancy. I used to use those cute little, but I think this one is more accurate. So yeah, I'm gonna brush up my eyebrows. Oh yeah, that looks bomb. Bomb.com. Oops. Okay, now let's get to so this is how my skin is looking now at the end of this whole process. I've done my eyebrows. I kind of nicked my skin here, so I'm getting a little bit, but I'm really happy with the way that my skin feels and looks right now. I can already see the brightening effect of the vitamin C that I used, and there was just a 20-minute mask along with my usual nighttime routine. So to make sure that I seal the deal, I'm going to use this baby. It's got niacinamide to keep up the brightening effect of the skin and to ensure that I've got even skin, remove the dark spots, dead skin. Thank you for watching, guys.